it in my back pocket?
This is gonna be good.
Where's your phone?
That's the one. You're right there.
Sorry.
This is gonna be the one that we barely support with. Flip it. But like I said, we pull it up out of here, caddy corner. So we just take a rest. Get him, Chico. You got other thick ones.
You did a good job on the bike ride.
He might need a pair. He might need 3.
He works on a farm, a cool day for my little house on the prairie. I like your father. Hey now.
This is barbecue. You, by law, you have to list your source of heat, be it charcoal, propane.
If you're cooking whole hog?
Or it doesn't matter as long as it's barbecue.
That's stupid.
It's a law. So I go down to Wild Wings and I asked to see the general manager and I said, I'm here with code enforcement. Let me see, get this.
Uh-oh. I gotta look at it that way.
It's pretty dark in there.
Yeah, he's pretty dark on one side.
It's like what shade of black? What shade of black would you like your meat? Yum yum.
Oh, he did get charred on that side good, but a lot of that is fruit juices too, and peaches and. Ready?
He charred good.
That's fine.
He charred real good.
Yeah, but look, under there.
All underneath is good.
What's that you want me to grab? Like I said, you'll be eating from the skin side down. Okay, Billy, we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna sit her right here. All right. Yeah. Ready? Down. Ooh, that's warm on that glove there. These are not thick at all, Joey. Not at all. Give me them gloves.
Get an old towel or a rag or something.
Yeah, look at that face.
That basket gonna hold it?
Yep.
All
Got
right.
a lot of tie straps on it.
Okay.
I'll go. Okay, you ready?
Billy,
Oh,
Billy, you're gonna
We're gonna slide it and we're gonna put this part on that. And we're gonna slowly flip it.
Come on, look. Come on, look.
Put it back up there. Okay.
Oh, the juices are rolling.
get your thermometer wire. Joey, thermometer wire.
Ben, don't grab it. Don't grab it.
Jesus. Whoo.
Talk about over easy.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, it smells incredible.
Oh. Did you want your... No, I'm in there.
Well, it's cooked, right?
Yeah, that's true.
The hard part was done. Set me up.
Next time you need to build something where it...
Now I gotta go.